Mineral primer is a penetrating and consolidating primer for internal and external surfaces. Tintable with Decora tinting system to favors more uniform and compact exterior finishes. Pour mineral primer in an empty bucket. Add 20 to 30% of clean water and mix mechanically or manually. Proceed with direct application over all kind of surfaces. If new, one coat is sufficient. If old, a good brushing and cleaning is required, making sure is dust-free before applying. The composition of mineral primer based on fine quartz sand, acrylic copolymers, and special additives allows the adhesion on every surface. Its special structure allows a combining key from the base to the material and eases the application of the first coat. Drying time 2 hours, depending on temperature and humidity.